It's Addicted to Blades. I thought I'd do a little sharpening video here. Bought this several years ago when I first started getting into collecting. Never had much good luck with it. Most of my knives back then were really cheap, crappy knives. So now that I got some better knives and I've got some better skills in sharpening, I'm gonna try to see what I can do with this blade. See what I can do with this blade. Got my cold steel perfect balance thrower here, and it was razor sharp, but I throw it a lot and it hits the ground a lot. It's still got some chips in it from hitting rocks and stuff, and it's not very sharp right now. Not very sharp at all. I can barely even cut paper with it. It's kind of sharp on the tip a little bit yet. Yeah. Anyway, I'm going to see what I can do with this thing. It's got a coarse carbide blades in there. It's got coarse carbide blades in there. And then it's got a fine, I'm not sure what the fine is. I thought they were ceramic, but I could be wrong. And it's got a diamond coated tapered rod for doing serrations, which I've tried to use. Never really had much luck with it. I can do better with the edge of a stropping belt or the edge of my MDF wheel. It's a little bit harder on the serrations though. And we'll do the coarse first. Well, I can see it's taking steel off. I've got rid of about half that chip already. You want to pull the knife through. It just works better that way. Try to keep the blade at 90 degrees to the sharpener as you get out to the tip. I can see the edge starting to get better. I'm gonna try it down here. Got a little better control down here. So yeah, looks like it's making a pretty good edge on it. Really cleaning that thing up. Got rid of quite a bit of that chip in there. Really straightening the edge out. I can see a nice bevel on it. First time I've ever really got anything to work with this. But yeah, I've sharpened a lot of knives since the last time I've used this with other systems. Let's see if it's getting any sharper. Oh, that's pretty sharp for just for the coarse. I haven't even used the fine yet, and there's still a little bit of a chip in there. Wow, I'm pretty impressed. Like I said, when I used it before, I had a bunch of cheap ass knives, and yeah, they're hard to sharpen. Watched a video by Donnie B all day the other day. He was using something like this, but a different style and brand hand sharpener, and that's what made me decide to do this video. And I'm I'm glad I did. Well, I still have a chip in it. Pretty good chip in it. Right there, and the tip's still kind of rough, but I'd say it's getting a pretty nice bevel going though, and it's really cleaned this up, and it's really sharpened it up. Surprised how sharp it is already. Alright, let's run it through the fine side a couple times. Alright, I pulled it through there about 20 times on the fine side. Wow. Pretty impressed. I used to think these things were junk, because I tried to sharpen crappy knives with them and they never worked, but they actually don't do that bad of a job. So you'll see just a little bit of that chip in there. Yeah, right there. Next couple times I sharpen this, it should be gone. I'm pretty impressed with that little sharpener. I think I got this off Amazon. It was a long time ago. I don't remember how much, but Smith sharpener. It's got a coarse and a fine. It's got a little diamond rod there. Pretty handy for putting a edge on your knife. Thanks for watching.